Guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Today I thought I'd bring you along on a little DIY I needed to do for my house. This is my plant room slash guest bedroom, and as you can see, I've got a problem going on over here. I've got a card table with a chair stacked on top of that. Let's see if we can make something cool. I was looking on Amazon for the perfect plant stand, and I just couldn't find a perfect one that would fit this corner. Not to mention, they're made very cheaply with some fake bamboo stuff. So let's go ahead and get some 2x2s, some 1x2s, and build our own. Right, let's remember I did not have a plan for this. I'm winging it, guys. So I thought the first thing I should do is use my 2x2s and go ahead and make that tall tower. Then we're going to go ahead and just keep cutting. Yeah, I'm just going to make all my towers and make all my frame first. So here we are. This is what I started with, all my different lengths. I'm a very visual person and I need to see it. So I laid out the long side of my L and I'm going to go ahead and start assembling it. I'm going to use this guy here to make sure that my feet stay 2 inches off the ground. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to pre-drill everything, put some glue, and then put my screws in. If you don't pre-drill, these small 1x2s will split on you. So pre-drill. Before I screw in my screws, every time I'm going to check again, make sure that I'm 2 inches off the ground so they'll all be equal and level, and also make sure that we're square so our towers are going to go up square. I'm using 2-inch flathead wood screws with a star drive to get these in here. They go in flush, they sink a little bit, and they were the perfect length. Build the other half, I'm basically just going to lay the other frame right on top and do the exact same thing, making sure it's just identical to the previous one. Now let's go ahead and cut some boards and pre-drill so we can start hooking these guys together. All right, these 2 boards here are going to start holding this up for me so it's not going to fall over anymore. It'll be nice and secure and upright so I can start working on that other part of the L. Okay, let me mention right here, I did make a mistake. You can see that I put this side of the L at the exact same height as the other side. I should have put it lower, but I'm going to fix it here in a minute. Say pretty, please, or speaking little white lies. I've got a rebel soul. Let's go ahead and secure the other side here, and for these I'm just going to use the brad gun. In my next video, I'm going to go through all the tools that I have and why I use what for what. In this video, you'll see me use 2 different brad guns, and I'll kind of go through why I use which tool for which project. Okay, so this is where I made that mistake. You see, I'm measuring right across there. Well, if I would have put the supporting board on the other side lower or higher, I would have been able to match it up equally, but I didn't. So now I have to kind of make a little rigged up thing here so that my shelving on this side will be level with the other side. So this is how I'm going to fix my problem. Could have used my Craig jig to fix this problem also with some pocket holes, but I didn't want to introduce another tool to this. I wanted you guys to see that you could just make this with just screws and a brad gun, even just screws. All right, let's start assembling all these boards we cut. Most of them were cut at either 14, 14 and a half, and we're gonna go all the way across. I'm just eyeballing it, spacing them out to where they look good to me, and we'll brat them down. All right, this is all assembled now. I had Hamish help me get it up the stairs and get all my beautiful plants back on it. Oh my goodness, I love the way it looks. It's so much cleaner and crisper in that corner now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tell me what you think of this DIY. The wood for this project cost me a whopping $38. The ones I was looking at on Amazon for this size were well over $200. So I think we did pretty good, and that's my Saturday. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. And remember, only you can make it happen. Bye.